Hello everyone, my name is Andy and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So I'm a bit earlier than normally, but tomorrow I won't be trading, so I will present my analysis for Tuesday, October 10th right now. For the record, today is Monday, October 9th and time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 15-minute chart. I will start with the lower time frame because this is the most interesting right now. Not much has changed on the higher time frame. So if you want to have a bit more context, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. And so here on the 15-minute chart, I think this low for now is still key. It's a bit the same among all the indices here. This low has become quite important in my opinion. So what we see from here, like this is like since we started the corrective move, the first real possibility of a low that we can hold, which means it can be the end of the corrective move down. But of course, we need a bit more data in order to confirm this. I told you I was looking here at a 5 waves structure that I would like to see. So for now, with the push we have right now, this looks good. However, like it seems quite strong what we have now. So I would not really count it like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5. I would rather say that this is actually still the wave 3 ongoing. So then I would see it as a wave 1, a wave 2, then a wave 1 of 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we can have or 3, because normally a wave 5 is ending with divergence, and like we do not really have divergence right now. We took out here the RSI reading of this high, so that favors more upside. However, the opposite is also true, of course. If our wave 3 is not situated right here, but if we are making the wave 3, then it can still be that this here is our ABC structure. So this still means that we are not sure about our 5 waves. So I'm still looking for 5 waves here. I think the wave 3 is situated right here, that we are doing the wave 3 from starting from here. And then, yeah, that means that this can actually also be a wave C, because a corrective move is just 3 waves. So without the fourth and the fifth wave, and the corrective move, a corrective move should not have divergence. And this is also still the case. But then, like, okay, first 5 waves up is in favor of the bullish case, but the real test will come when we correct this structure up here. Then it will simply be very important that we hold this low right here. So this is something to look out for. So the positive, or the arguments in favor of the bullish case, are that we are still, like, we are doing a nice upward cycle right here, but on the 15-minute this can still be a corrective move as an ABC right here. Then in the 1 hour, what we see here is also an upward cycle, which is still holding. It would be nice if we could take out this high here. This would be another argument in favor of the bullish case. So this is also something to look out for. Then if we look at the 4 hour, also here we broke the downward cycle, and it looks like we are establishing an upward cycle. And now in the daily, what we see here is that we are heading towards this RSI trend line here. So in the daily, we are still in a bearish cycle obviously also very clearly here in the weekly. So therefore, yeah, it's a bit early to make conclusions about the low that is in. But yeah, like I said in my weekend analysis, if it has to happen, like it could happen from here. So this has now become a quite important low in my opinion. So let's see what we get the next days, hours. So tomorrow for the members, I will not be able to update my charts, but yeah, I will soon present then another video analysis. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.